Why it's important. Diesel engines, whether in large shipping vessels or smaller power generators, rely on cooling water to regulate the temperature of the engine and prevent overheating. The cooling water in diesel engines is exposed to high temperatures and various contaminants, which can cause issues such as corrosion, mineral buildup, and microbe growth. This is why proper treatment of the cooling water is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of diesel engines. Types of cooling water treatment. There are two main types of cooling water treatment: chemical treatment and physical treatment. Chemical treatment involves adding chemicals to the cooling water to prevent corrosion and mineral buildup, while physical treatment involves the use of filtration systems to remove contaminants. The most common chemical treatments include inhibitors, biocides, and pH adjusters. Inhibitors work by forming a protective barrier on the surfaces of the engine to prevent corrosion, while biocides are used to control microbe growth. pH adjusters, on the other hand, help maintain the optimal pH level of the cooling water to prevent corrosion. Physical treatment, on the other hand, typically involves the use of filters and strainer systems to remove contaminants such as dirt, debris, and microorganisms from the cooling water. This helps to maintain the efficiency of the engine and prevent blockages in the cooling system. Benefits of cooling water treatment. There are several benefits to treating the cooling water in diesel engines, including increased engine life. Proper treatment of the cooling water helps prevent corrosion, mineral buildup, and microbe growth, which can lead to engine damage and decreased engine life. Improved engine efficiency. Clean and well-maintained cooling water helps regulate the temperature of the engine, allowing it to operate at optimal efficiency. Lower maintenance costs. Regular cooling water treatment can reduce the need for maintenance and repairs, saving money in the long run. Environmental compliance. Proper treatment of cooling water can also help prevent environmental damage, as untreated cooling water can discharge harmful pollutants into the environment. Conclusion. In conclusion, treating the cooling water in diesel engines is essential for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of the engine. Whether through chemical or physical treatment, regular maintenance of the cooling water is crucial for ensuring that diesel engines operate at optimal performance and efficiency.